Welcome back to Catalina 27. Bottom painting. When it comes to boat jobs, nothing sucks more. I mean, nothing sucks more than spending day upon day with one of these in your hand. And a can of this. A can of this. A can of this. And a few of these. That said, though, it's quite rewarding knowing that your bottom's been done right and looks pretty good. I tried finding images of vivid red on a sailboat, or any boat really. There's not much out there. Certainly none that are up close and really show you what the surface comes out like. So I decided to make my own. And here it is, the Pettit Vivid Red. That's 2 thin coats over 2 coats of white Pettit Protect high build primer. It's the Vivid Red is $309 a gallon, which is on the high end as far as bottom paints go, but it's a hard and ablative, and as the biocide wears off, the paint ablates a bit and exposes some more. So I got 2 thin coats out of 1 gallon. I got like a pint left. I got enough to do the keel, but I might buy another color and customize it a bit. I don't know, maybe I'll checkerboard the bottom. I don't know. I'll think about that. So that's what it looks like. I think it looks all right. This stuff is multi-season. You can burnish it with 600 grit or 3000 grit. If you put like 4 coats on, you can sand it down and make it into a mirror if you want. You can even do the final step of compound and just really make it slick like glass for racing. But I'm not racing. I just want a nice bottom paint that doesn't foul up so much. Now it is a lot of work, so I'm going to make it as smooth as I can. So I may put another coat or 2 on and sand it and see if I can get it a bit smoother than this right here. It's kind of like a matte. It says matte finish, but it's more like a semi-gloss. This is completely dry, and as you can see, it's quite shiny. It's quite hard as well. So, like I said, it's trailerable. It doesn't build up. It self-polishes and goes on quite easy. I tried to roll and tip it, but it's just too hot and windy here. It's like 85 degrees and pretty windy, so I couldn't tip it out in time. But that's a 3/16 nap roller. 2 thin coats, because you have to put it on thin. It says if you try to slop it on thick, it won't work. And so I just followed the directions and taped it off real nice and put it on. Well, there you go. The Pettit Vivid Red. It comes in 6 colors. You can mix and match or mix them up, make custom colors. Comes in white, yellow, green, blue, black, and red. And so you can make any color you want. Literally any color. So that's pretty cool, I think. I think a lot of people will be using this stuff in the future. It's been out for a while though, and I don't see many boats with brightly colored bottoms. I hope that's not because it doesn't work and this thing's just gonna get all kinds of growth all over it in 6 months. I'll let you know. Like and subscribe, comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. I'm working on that other video about all the things I've done so far, but I had to stop doing that to finish this bottom because I want to get this thing in the water. Whose cat's that? What are you doing? Some wild cat, completely unafraid. It's too funny. All right, see you guys later. Bye. Still working on the everything I've done so far episode. It's a good one. Probably be another week. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.